Blissful day, everyone. Today we are with you as part of World Water Day. World Water Day is held on 22nd March every year since 1993 to focus the importance of fresh water. World Water Day celebrates water and raises awareness of the 2.2 billion people living without access to safe water. It is about taking action to the global water crisis. The core focus of World Water Day celebration is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal, that's water and sanitation for all by 2030.
Importance of water. Water is the most precious gift to humanity by nature. Water is the foundation of our life. For daily survival, the human body requires water, and 70% of our body's fluid is water. Every one of our cells, tissues, and organs need water to function regularly. Water plays an important role in the world economy. Approximately 70% of the fresh water used by humans goes for agriculture. Fishing in salt and fresh water is a source of food for different parts of the world. Large quantities of steam, ice, and water are used for cooling and heating in industries and homes. Water is an excellent solvent for a large variety of substances, and there can be no life without water.
Availability of water on Earth. About 71% of Earth's surface is water covered and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. Most water in Earth's atmosphere and crust comes from the world ocean saline sea water, while fresh water accounts for nearly 1% of the total. Because the oceans that cover roughly 71% of the area of Earth reflect blue light. Earth appears blue from space and is referred to as the blue planet and the pale blue dot. An estimated 1.5 to 11 times the amount of water in the oceans may be found hundreds of kilometers deep within the Earth's interior, although not in liquid form. The planet's fresh water is also unevenly distributed. Although in warm periods such as the Mesozoic and the Paleogene there were no glaciers anywhere on the planet, all fresh water was found in rivers and streams. Today most of the fresh water exists in the form of ice, snow, groundwater and soil moisture with only 0.3% in liquid form.
Water management. Water resource management is the activity of planning, developing, distributing, and managing of water resources. It is a subset of water cycle management. India is expected to face acute water shortage by the year 2025. The UN has estimated that by 2050, 4 billion people will be seriously affected by water scarcity. And this will lead to multiple conflict between countries over the sharing of water. Sustainable water management is the need of the hour. Save water campaigns are essential to make people aware of the dangers of water scarcity. A number of measures have to be taken for better management of water resources. Building several small reservoirs instead of few mega projects. Develop small catchment dams and protect wetlands. One area of water management deals with handling the water present in the nature. This includes monitoring the amount of water present in the environment, seasonal and annual change in water levels. Flood prevention and purifying the water and making it germ-free is also a part of water resource management. Wastewater systems such as recycling and retreating of water should be practiced in every homes. Rainwater harvesting is also a best way of treating water. Both freshwater ecosystems and marine water ecosystems are a home to different variety of organisms. And without the support of these ecosystems, these organisms are most likely to get extincted. There is enough water in Africa for everybody, but the management of this water is below optimal. This is an example for lack of water resource management. I wish to conclude my words by making you remember that it's fundamentally moronic to let water to get dirty and then clean it up, as opposed to just keeping it clean.
Hi friends, today I am here to present the topic rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the culture and storage of rain rather than allowing it into runoff. Rainwater is collected to a tank, deep pit or a reservoir with percolation. Rainwater harvesting different from storm water harvesting as the runoff is collection from roof, roads, or any other land surface. It uses enclosed watering garden, livestock, irrigation, domestic use with proper treatment, domestic heating. The harvested water can also be committed to long-term storage or groundwater recharge. Rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and oldest method of self-supply of water for household and household scale project, usually financial by the user. However, larger system for schools, hospital and other facility can run up and cost only able to be financial by organization and governmental unit.
Each step that you can follow to prevent water wastage. First, steps to stay water in bathroom. First one, check your toilet for leaks. Take shorter showers. Install water-saving showers, heads or flow resistors. Third, turn off the water after you wet the brush. Steps to save water in kitchen or laundry. Use automatic dishwashers when only for full loads. Use automatic washing machine only for full loads. If you wash dishes by hand, don't leave the water running for rising. Don't let the faucet run while you clean vegetables. Save water outside. Water your lawn when only it's needed. Don't run the hose while washing your car. Tell your children not to play with hose or sprinklers. Check for leaks in pipe, hose, faucets and couplings. Plant drought-resistant trees and plants that needed only less water.
Water is an essential daily ingredient and is found in every cell in human body. Water is the primary liquid of life and makes up approximately 60% of human body. By adapting to the water effects of climate change, we are protecting the health and saves life. And by using water more proficiently, we will reduce greenhouse effects. Water is the most basic of all needs. We cannot live without water for more than few days. And yet, most people take water for granted. We waste water needlessly and don't realize that water is a very limited resource. More than 1 billion people around the world have no access to clean drinking water. And over 2.5 billion do not have adequate sanitation service. Over 2 million people die each year because of unsafe water. Most of them were children. I would like to conclude my presentation by saying the famous proverb, "Pure water is the world's first and foremost medicine." Let us all join the hand and take a pledge to save water and save life on earth. Thank you.